Here's what separates great leaders from good ones when it comes to leading in today's landscape. In an environment defined by volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity, or Vuca, traditional data-heavy decision-making processes often fall short. They're simply too slow and rigid. Leaders must adapt, and that means embracing a different approach. Vuca leadership. It's about navigating the fog, not waiting for it to clear. So, how does this actually work in practice? It comes down to three core tenets. First, truly understand the Vuca landscape. Volatility is the speed of change. Uncertainty is the lack of predictability. Complexity is the web of interconnected forces. And ambiguity is the lack of clarity. Simply naming these forces can help your team feel more grounded. Second, practice low-data decision-making. This isn't about guessing. It's about prioritizing exceptional information, that critical insight from a key team member or a sudden pattern you observe, over exhaustive and often lagging data. It's about trusting your instincts and the expertise on your team to make a timely call. Third, shift your focus from optimizing plans to enhancing the planner's adaptability. A perfect plan is useless the moment it meets reality. A highly adaptable and skilled team, however, can handle anything. Invest in their skills, their resilience, and their ability to solve problems on the fly. Here's how this looks for an engineering manager. You're in a quarterly review, and a team's productivity trend is unclear. External market changes and internal team dynamics are muddying the waters. Instead of just analyzing the metrics, you apply active questioning. You ask, what's the biggest source of friction right now? You uncover that the team feels overwhelmed by shifting priorities. That's your exceptional information. This allows for an immediate adjustment, like creating no-interrupt focus blocks, which supports their well-being and performance. Effective leadership in a volatile world hinges on embracing this uncertainty. Use this with your team this week. See what changes. Save this for later.